we are going to do breakfast, guys. So it's Rudy's breakfast today. I'm going to show you guys something. It's a Mexican wrap with bacon and stuff like that. So you lay them out on a tray like this, right? And just by the way, we are in Ballito, awesome view just out here. It's the sea. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It's amazing. Like seriously, guys, it's crazy. But enough of that for now, because I'm very excited about this house. It's beautiful. Streaky bacon laid out, obviously in my special foil basket. And what you're going to do, you put the oven on 190 degrees, and just keep an eye on your bacon until it's crispy, and then you take it out. Pop it in. What I do as well, we've got hash browns as well. We're going to put it with the bacon, and then see what happens. So just keep an eye on it. It should be brown on top, and then it's able away. Okay guys, so bacon's in the oven, hash browns is in the oven. So what we're going to do, we have got green chili and a red chili. So the one I already split. You cut your chilies, it's very important guys. Wherever you touch it, it's going to burn. Don't touch your eyes, don't touch your nose, it's going to be crazy. So what you want to do is you want to chop the top off, you want to split it open, and then you can see there's like seeds in there. You want to take them out because that stuff burns, guys. Is amazing outside, but enough of that. We've got diced up spring onion. Amazing guys, spring onion looks like this. Go buy it at the stores, buy it fresh. Then we've got some chilies, and what we're going to do is we're going to take eggs, we're going to put it in a bowl like this, and then stir it up, and then put it in the pan and get it ready. Okay guys, so what we did, we scrambled the eggs, we put everything in here. What we're going to do now is we're going to put it in the pan. We want to put butter, olive oil in the pan, get it hot, and get it going. So let's do that.
Invincible.
Look at that guys. Dirty. Guys, we're done. Basically what happened now is we want a plate. So plating is the best thing, it's my thing. Where we've got some tortillas on the plates. This looks amazing guys, wow. Right, so we're gonna have that, some eggs, Mexican eggs, chilies. Place that on there. Try and get them right there. Get some tomatoes. Okay, some mayonnaise. Some pepper. Some salt. Let's pull this baby up. So what you do is you place that over there, hold it tight, place this one over there, this one over here, and then you're going to have to wrap it guys. Oh, it's a beauty, it is a beauty. Mexican wrap at its best. Guys, if you like this video, please go down to the link, go subscribe, like and subscribe our link, That's all you have to do, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it.